Oh my girl, these are so good. The guava? Girl. Oh my goodness, this is insane. I got like a sweet cheese mixed with the guava. No, I didn't expect this. You want to taste it?
Ooh.
You know I don't even be liking guava. But yeah.
Smell the banana.
Ooh, the bananas are in there. 10 out of 10. Who is the baker? Who is the baker? Want a nice cup of coffee? Which one is better? I thought you would have got this because I know you like guava.
Pumpkin tastes really good.
I do. And I'm not I'm a fan of pumpkin spice coffee only. I don't like the pastries, the donuts. I don't like to eat pumpkin, I guess I should say. But I prefer to drink it. If you get what I'm saying. And I surely would never eat guava.
Looking from the outside.
It couldn't work here because I'm already a dumpling. You want me to be a double dumpling? When I used to be inside, nice and spicy, me and Korean, we used to be...
Now it's a thief city.
Shut your mouth.
Yeah, make the people ever know. When you try to combine something, you get thief.
We used to be eaten. I used to be like, so what I'm supposed to give the people then?
Exactly.
I used to be making the Irish moss and like fill them up in the containers and stuff. That's when I started getting thick. That's when I started getting thick, honestly. When I started eating.
Jamaican food make you thick.
Yeah.
Jamaican food.
Jamaican food is why I'm a dumpling. Is why I'm a dumpling. That is crazy. Oh, good. That's why it's good to try new places. Because you won't know. And now I'll be like, you have to go to Petit Choux. Because the pastries and the danishes and the desserts is busting. So I already tried 2 things. You tried 2 things. I wish it's somewhere.
Now always I put it on. So everybody come go and like.
Well, why you just can't say white?
Yeah,
you did a big one. This one, this.
Some of the year props. Yeah.
If I need to write down all the places we've been. You know, you give like the star.
No, you bring me a whole heap of places.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna bring you a whole heap of places.
Yeah, she did.
So nobody
Some
come
places
go
we
on.
find together. And we like, oh, we should try this. Yeah. You gotta give the W when it's time to give the W.
At the shit, at the baker there.
Excuse me, are you the baker?
Yes, that's me.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Top tier, top
I
notch.
appreciate it. You guys have
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
The pumpkin spice.
Oh,
in it.
nice.
He had the banana.
And the banana.
I had the guava. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, guys.
I'm thick enough. It is.
Yes.
It tastes fresh. It wasn't clumpy. You know, sometimes like the cheese is like clumpy and thick. It was nice and smooth.
Yeah, I know it's something make with love.
Yeah, he took his time.
It's smooth.
He took his time. All right, reviewer. That was top tier. 10 out of 10.
We don't have a machine, so we do it regular drip.
Like a kid in a candy store. Why you ask me if I wanted one? You see how people say? It's okay. I don't want another one.
You know what?
One was enough. I'm already a dumpling. That's my problem. I overdo things.
This is not utility.
We gonna share it? Oh, I thought you was gonna say no. You be like, yeah, you know, you be like, no. Stop lying. He be like, no. Great. You be saying no. You be like, no, get your own. In the beginning of the relationship, like Kevin Hart said, you split everything. Babe, you wanna sip? You wanna? Love is selfless. Sharing is caring. I shared something with you yesterday. I shared something with you yesterday.
What?
But it wasn't free. It might cost you a little, might cost you a lot. But it's gonna cost you. I'm going to Jamaica. You paid. You paid up.
Yeah.
It was worth it.
Time for cigar, yeah.
And I like to make friends in these places because going there you chat and then sometimes you get free stuff. I love free stuff. You gonna hold it for me?
You happy with me?
I did last night. You should want to do a good deed right now.
Why?
For me. Bless him, Lord. Huh?
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because I gave you the gift of that gives life yesterday. You know, you need to get on JR's level of recording, babe, and hold the camera right. Why are you holding it like you're in 5th grade? Like mom said, hold the camera.
Who named JR?
Really? Here? No, don't try to fix up now. Who's JR, Greg? We know 3. So you just think about it. Because this is this don't do drugs, don't smoke weed, because it affects you years down the line, even when you no longer smoke.
Exactly. Years in a smoke.
We watch this YouTuber all the time, and he still don't know who I'm talking about.
Oh.
Don't smoke, don't do drugs.
Oh, yeah, talk homeboy son.
Greg, like really, I said you need to get on JR's level with the camera. You talking about who's JR? I didn't want to say JUNIOR. That's why I said JR. No, I didn't want to. Now I got y'all outside because I did Vlogmas day 2 and day 3 inside the house. I told y'all it was too cold for me to be holding the camera, and when I'm by myself, I don't like to have the camera because it's New York and they might try to get me, snatch it and run. I don't got the mega knees. So I damn sure it's not running nobody down. I'm just gonna stand there and cry.
So we're crying again.
I'ma cry And then I'm gonna call Greg.
And then me I
And
tell you
say,
that
babe.
crap.
I don't even want to speak that in the atmosphere because I don't want my camera to go missing or somebody take it. But you got wicked people in this world. Your hand cold? Your hand is cold?
Oh, you just I think about that part.
You should have wore gloves.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pay me. But we should have wear
I
gloves.
paid you last night. Not even, to be exact, about 2:45 a.m.
I didn't understand.
Greg, right now you should be like, yeah, do the damn thing. Wanna be?
Pay me every minute.
I can't do that.
Yeah, but yeah. That me why. Pay me every minute.
I can't pay you every minute now.
Every hour.
I can't pay you every hour.
See, sometimes
I can pay you
see,
maybe
you're not
every 3 days.
That's in a minute, we can't.
What kind of pay?
We go work every 3 days.
What kind of pay?
We want to pay by the hour.
By the hour?
Everybody get paid
You
by the
not
hour.
even. You don't even got no degree in film. You don't even. He holding the camera for like not even 5 minutes yet. And you talking about you want to get paid by the hour. What do you want to get paid? What do you want to get paid?
You know, I'm going to tell you about.
Y'all want a little history fact? This place, Venario's, been here since 1894. That's a long ass time.
It's said, kind of thing, since.
I know, that's a, like, you see? Wow!
It's said,
Stop!
since 1984, kind of thing.
18,
So,
babe.
1894. So,
Greg, so
yeah.
let me just,
I don't like you just create a life act history like, oh, she know something. They right for the
you
right
see how black people don't let you be great? You see how they don't let you be great? I know that it says that. I'm just stating, I'm just reading it. Wow. So we get a little bit up there, it's one to pull you right back down. You don't know nothing. You're not giving them no history fact because it says it on there.
Exactly.
It's been there for, basically the point is, a very long time. And it's not a lot of businesses that kind of stand that long. You have a few in New York that stand that long. How you doing?
Hi.
Want to say hi to the vlog? Okay. He's saying hi, right?
Name friend, man.
That's not the one who be doing the juice.
A name?
No, that's not him.
Oh, so you just say hi to man.
Who?
You.
I say hi to everybody.
Me not,
Man, woman, dog, trans,
me not walk with so much ill as
gay,
me tell you.
straight.
Burn up.
Hey!
Me not walk with so much ill people. Sorry.
Oh yeah, Greg said you lucky if you get 5 hellos out of him. You're lucky if you get that. He said after the 5th hello, he's done for the day.
Yeah, me not have no
So
more
that-
ill left. No more
That's
ill left.
stush. That's very stush. That's very stush.
Everybody has to say,
We about
Must have done.
we about positivity and elevation. Look, it don't cost you nothing to say hello.
Me say a 5
But you wanna
ill me
get
walk
paid?
with.
But you want to get paid on the hour.
Me don't care what you
I
are
don't
saying.
want you to be the camera.
You're good, right? Come hold the camera and talk to
Your
your
hand is
people.
cold? I need a camera person for real.
People, you think she can pay me for do this? Talk to me. Put in the comment section. If she can pay me.
Of course I could pay you. With my goody
No,
goody.
we don't want that. We don't want that. You can't keep that. You don't want that. Put some dollars on the table.
You want money?
But goody goody. We don't want the blood clot. Goody goody.
You want money? How much you think you should get paid?
I always think gonna can bribe man with crutches. Move the blood clot. But goody goody.
But we can. We can.
Sometimes. All the time.
Exactly.
God, that's what love with it.
Yeah, exactly. Y'all don't have no sense.
Think woman is now wicked. Move your blood clot. Wicked is no wicked.
Oh yeah. So it is Vlogmas day 4. That means I have 14 days left. Y'all, we are going to Jamaica. All this cold weather, y'all see me bundled up? Listen, not when I reach JA. No clothes on.
Bumbo clot.
And Father, if you don't want to see, close your eyes.
I lie.
Close your eyes. Because I told you my first video is going to be dedicated to you. Come on, JR. Look.
Yo, if you call me JR one more time, me give you back your blood clot, come on.
All right, shout out to Queen's Flip and his son JR. We watch them all the time. This is not no shade. JR can film.
So I am the man. Call him
No.
I.
You
This the
can't do nothing with black people. And this is Vlogmas day 4. So, good morning.
Fine.
So I'm gonna see y'all when I get upstairs because it is cold and
Yeah, it's cool. She just realized that my hand freeze, right? But I know she can take the camera out of my
and
hand.
husband hand is frozen holding the camera. I'm very, very grateful. I told y'all every day I wake up grateful with joy. I don't take nothing for granted. I'm very grateful that he's even holding this camera for me right now because it is cold out here. So look, it's cold. All right, I see y'all in a few. When we got back, we just got back in the house, but this is for the second time because we went to go pick up royalty. When we got back in the house, the first time, we just was in here chilling. Sometimes you just gotta be in the moment. So I didn't pick up the camera to finish vlogging. But now I'm eating a salad. Greg is eating a salad too. And I watched my last video from yesterday back. And I put on it Vlogmas day 4. That's wrong. It was supposed to say Vlogmas day 3. So please forgive me for that. Because this is Vlogmas day 4. I'm going to end this here. Ain't nothing really going on. We have a couple of days left to prepare for Jamaica. So stay tuned to that video. I love you guys. Oh, and I tried the, what was it, babe? The, from Petite Choux, I tried the pumpkin, right? Mm-hmm. The pumpkin Danish. Mm-hmm. It's bussin'. I will see them tomorrow. It's good. All right, you guys. Stay tuned to tomorrow. Vlogmas day 5 coming. Later.
Bless her.